9 First Morning Live Drive.
Thanks so much, Dan. So he's farther to the north, but I want to get you back more inside I-275 and show you where more snow is coming down now and new issues should be developing here shortly. Snow already moved into this western part of I-275 out there in Indiana, the west side of Cincinnati, and the leading edge of this is now over I-70 or I-275 there in northern Kentucky and the northern part of Boone County. So specifically, if you want to break down some problem spots out there, we could potentially start to see some ice developing out on the Carroll Cropper Bridge. It's an exposed surface, so you're going to get that bigger drop down in temperatures there. All these road temperatures out here are still a little bit above freezing, which means it's melting, and then the air temperature is slowly allowing that ice to form with time. So if you continue here on I-275, we're talking about the Petersburg exit, also the Hebron area. Those exits as you get on the interstate, whenever you get up off the ground, and obviously you have that air coming in underneath your bridge, watch out for ice there as this continues to the east. Here you've got the airport at CVG, so soon even in those exits, you're going to start to notice some of those issues. I've also got snow bands stretching up toward Finneytown, Gulf Manor, and Reading. Now, this is coming into the main laterals again. So last time, most of our snow just barely grazed the northern part of I-275. This is going to get a lot of those laterals and eventually downtown. So again, it will fall as snow, start to melt, and then turn into that ice. Bridges and overpasses will happen first, and then slowly you'll start to see some of that ice even developing on those non-exposed roads. Barack Shapiro just came in from our more northern spots, and he said even beyond the bridges and overpasses, he hit some black ice out there along I-71. So just heads up, it's not just bridges and overpasses at this point, but this has been the main corridor. If you look on your map here on the screen, it's north of the river. That's where the main issue has been so far this morning. So we'll continue to stay on top of it. This is an active situation and changing with every half hour, it seems like. So we'll continue to have updates here for you. We're in the upper 20s as it stands right now, and that cold air is just wrapping around our bridges, causing issues. I'll give you more on the forecast in the days ahead, still to come.
Jennifer, thank you. 6:35.